Morning, yogis. We're going to begin in child's pose today, taking a few breaths here. And if you like, you can take this time to set an intention for your practice, set an intention for your day. Starting the day off right with positivity, clarity, calm. And then when you're ready, make your way to your hands and your knees. Taking a few rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, sink the belly, lift the heart, look up. And as you exhale around through the back, release the head, release the neck. Again, breathe in, lift your heart, lift the gaze. And exhale around through the back, heavy head. And continue one more round, spreading the fingers wide, palms take up space. Make your way into a neutral spine, reach through the crown of the head, and then extend your right leg back behind you, rising up onto the ball of the foot. As you breathe in, lengthen a little forward, and as you exhale, press back into the stretch. Again, inhale, lengthen forward, exhale to press back, opening through the back of your right leg. And inhale, lengthen forward, exhale to press back and hold here. Few breaths. Long neck as you hold here, front ribs hug in. And then exhale, release the right knee down, switching sides, extend the left leg back behind you. And breathe in, lengthen forward. Exhale, press back through the center of the left heel. And inhale, lengthen forward. Exhale, press back. And breathe in. And breathe out. One more, inhale, lengthen forward. Exhale, press back into the heel, holding the stretch here. A little bit of outward rotation through the upper arms. Exhale to lower the left knee down towards the floor. And then bring your hips back and up into downward facing dog. And taking what you need here, you can pedal through the feet a little bit. Bend one knee and then the other. Opposite heel reaches down towards the floor. Let the head be heavy. And again, allow the palms to take up space. Spread your fingers wide. Breathing with a bit of sound in and out through the nose, finding that ujjayi breath. Really helps to guide the mind, to steady the mind. And then you can either continue to pedal through the feet or find a bit of stillness through the legs, through the body. On your next inhale, lift the right leg up and back. Exhale, open the hip, bend your knee, let the head be heavy. Let your shoulders be even here, so the shoulders are square. On your next inhale, step the right foot forward to the top of your mat between your hands. Rise to your fingertips. Inhale, look forward. And as you exhale, slowly lengthen, fold in towards the front leg as much as you're ready for. We'll take a few back and forth just like that. Breathe in, bend the knee, look forward. Exhale, slowly lengthen and fold. Inhale, bend into the front knee. Really take your time here. Exhale, lengthen, and fold. And inhale, bend into the front knee. Exhale, lower the left knee down to the floor. Untuck your toes. Release your chin heavy towards your chest. So getting a deep stretch to the front of the left hip, the left thigh here. Getting right into that psoas. Encourage the hips forward. Shoulder blades drift down the back. Smooth, steady breath in and out through the nose. Inhale, lift the head. Exhale, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, and then lift your right arm up so you're twisting towards the bent leg and start to circle through the top wrist. One direction, and then when you're ready, reverse the direction. Navel gently draws towards the spine. Buoyant left thigh, left leg is lifting. And then hands down, draw the back foot in a little bit and fold into your right leg. Think about the thigh bones drawing back, so a little bit of weight reaching back into the heels. Engage through the legs. Long spine as you fold over that right leg. Lift the head. Exhale, bend the front knee. Step back to downward facing dog. And take a moment, pedal through the feet. And then other side. Inhale, sweep the left leg up and back. Exhale, open the hip, bend your knee. Again, trying your best to keep the shoulders even. Your next inhale, step the left foot forward between your hands. Rise to your fingertips. Inhale, look forward. And as you exhale, slowly lengthen. Fold in towards your front leg. Back and forth. Inhale, bend into the front knee. Roll the chest open. Exhale, lengthen. Fold into that left leg. And breathe in. Bend through the front knee. Exhale, lengthen. And fold. And bend into the front knee. Inhale, exhale, lower the right knee down to the floor. Untuck your toes. Encourage your hips forward. Let your head hang heavy. Breathing here. Shoulders away from the ears. Full deep breaths in and out through the nose. Enjoying this stretch. As you inhale, lift the head. Exhale, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee. Right palm down, lift the left arm up towards the sky. And if it feels good, you can look up towards that hand as you circle through the wrist, one direction. And reverse. Navel to spine, long neck. And exhale, release the hand down. Hop the back foot in as you straighten the leg. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale, fold up and over into the left leg, getting a good hamstring stretch. Feel the feet press down into the floor in order to find some energy reaching up through the legs. Little lift of the low belly here, Uddiyana Bandha, lifting the low belly up towards the sky. Inhale, lift the head. Exhale, bend the front knee. And step back to downward facing dog. And take a big breath in. And a full breath out. You can breathe out through the mouth if you like. And as you inhale, lengthen forward to plank. Exhale, lower the knees, the chest, the chin. Inhale, slide forward into a low cobra. We're going to hang out here for a few breaths. Feel the tailbone lengthen down towards your heels. Tops of the feet press down. Lifting the navel away from the floor. And as you exhale, tuck the toes, send the floor away, make your way back to downward facing dog. And taking a little walk to the top of your mat. Once you get there, feet find inner hip distance apart. Hold on to opposite elbows. Knees can be as bent as feels good here. Allowing this to be a chance for the spine to release. Let's take 3 breaths here. Breathe in. Breathe out 1. Breathe in. Breathe out 2. Breathe in. And breathe out 3. Release your arms. Roll up the spine. Generous bend in the knees as you inhale. Make your way all the way up to stand. Again, our inner hip distance apart. Lift the arms up by your ears. Catch a hold of your right wrist with your left hand. Exhale, side lean over towards the left. pressing down through the feet, especially through your right foot to anchor down as you open through the side of the waist. Breathe in, come back to center, switch the grip, right hand holds the left wrist, lengthen, and exhale over towards the right. Rooting through the feet to find length through the legs, creating space in the side body. Inhale back to center. Exhale, release the arms down by your sides. Bring the feet to touch. And taking a moment here, closing your eyes, feeling the breath ground down into the belly, down into the feet. Bring your mind's eye back to your intention. And perhaps you can keep this intention close to your heart today, supporting you as you go about your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Make sure to subscribe below for updates and check out urbanomnyc.com for more yoga and meditation practices.